forgetting who I am. Just being a member of this Joint Movement Committee 10,323, I have to, expose out, speak out to what my heart says. Otherwise, I will not have a good sleep. It will be injustice on my part if I don't say what is the present scenario of our, education department and as well as the state government administration. We were having a good faith in a government, and we have waited not for a year, 2 years, 2.5 years, we have been waiting whether some permanent solution will be done on our part. And we all have kept quiet. We all have kept quiet, thinking that this government is a good government, and will sponsor and will give justice to each and every one of us. But sadly, even after our termination for 9-10 months, we have really kept quiet. But after that, there was no response from the government side, and that is why willingly, I would say willingly, everyone compel us to sit on the street and demand for justice. Our demand is for a legal fight. Our demand is not, our fight is not with any organization, any political parties, or any individuals. Our demand is for a legal fight. Para 127 of the Honorable High Court judgment clearly states that those who are not under the ambit of challenge employees, they may retain their job. They may be accommodated in their own jobs. Only those who are challenged, their employment may be set aside. This is a platform, not of a political platform. People here all are educated. All are educated. You cannot see this, selflessly like that. Come in this platform and explain us what is 127. I would also ask the education department and the bureaucrats, the so-called IAS officers and everyone, come in this platform and explain us what is 127. Otherwise, you see, we have been sitting here for 6 days. If we really fight for illegal justice, see how many sacks of rice, how many sacks of, all the groceries things we are getting. People have understood that this fight, this demand speaks of legality. That is why today many passerby, many commuters are supporting us. Open social media and see, you will not find that much of criticism like before. Otherwise, before they used to brand us Adidas brand, Nike brand label, Reebok brand মতন আমাদেরকে ব্র্যান্ড করা হতো, ওরা অযোগ্য। But today, I can proudly say, at least people are not saying us অযোগ্য. The main confession is given by our Honorable Education Minister. He have confessed that these teachers are not unqualified. They are qualified. This is our success. And I know in the coming days, the government, the state administration, the bureaucrats, many social organizations will come in our support and will really understand. And will understand that this fight, this Lordai is not for an injustice Lordai. If any one of you want to challenge on a legal ground, I don't have LLB degree, but that much of basic understanding English, we as a teachers do understand. Come in this platform. Come and point finger at us. Question us why you people are sitting here. I have a family. Everyone here have a family. Everyone here came from nook and corner of Tripura. Kailasar, Kamalpur, Dharmanagar. Leaving their family aside. Why? Why that much of support that we getting? Because in this demand, in this movement, there is some truth. There is a famous saying in English. I will try to translate in Bangla if someone can help me. Truth cannot be hidden. Bangladesh is what?
সত্যি লুকানো যায় না।
Truth cannot be hidden.
সত্যি লুকানো যায় না। সত্য
সত্য লুকানো যায় না। Truth cannot be hidden. One day or today, this truth will come out. And you all are witnessing this truth. You all are coming here means what? You all are understanding slowly what is truth about. Truth আছে এখানে. That is why people here coming from different places of Tripura and sitting idly, sitting, sleeping when the roof is the sky. We all have house, but today we have, declined their house and came here on the street thinking that the sky is our house. Just with one sole aim of passing message to each and everyone who have considered us as unqualified. We have faced, lot of social traumas. Those who are not in our situation, they will not understand. বাজারে, গাড়িতে, বিভিন্ন সামাজিক জীবনে we have faced that this group is 10,323 teachers. People have labeled us with due respect to rickshaw pullers, car drivers, with due respect. Even those drivers have labeled us that we are unqualified. অযোগ্য ওদের তো চাকরি চলে গেছে সিপিএম করে বলে ওদের চাকরি চলে গেছে Just see. Imagine, my dear friends, imagine what is our social status. Amader status ki? Even till today, many of my friends are saying, many, why do you simply go in that demonstration? Waste your time. Go and sit there. Why do you waste your time? You will not get that job anymore. There is illegal job, CPM job. From this platform, I would like to make you all clear. This job, government job, is not of any political party's job. Government job is a state government job. According to Constitution, government can remain in power for 5 years. It might be BJP, it might be CPIM, it might be Congress, it might be any party. But job is a job, government job. I'm not doing any Ambani, so-called Ambani job. I'm not Jio Reliance employee. I am not this political party's employee. I got this job and I am doing this job thinking that this is a government job. But people all have misunderstood. People all have misunderstood. Yesterday I was really disturbed, or not yesterday, day before yesterday. Few of our artists, singers, they came and presented a song. Our Bharat Ratna's Bhupen Hazarika's song, Manush Manusher Jonno, Jibon Jiboner Jonno. Just 1 minute, wait.
সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আপনারা আজকে দীর্ঘ 6 দিন যাবৎ আপনাদের বিভিন্ন একটা দাবিকে সামনে রেখে দিয়ে আন্দোলন সংগঠিত করছেন, তাকে সমর্থন জানিয়ে আমরা কৃষ্ণনগর, আপনাদের ইতিহাস স্টেশনটা কৃষ্ণনগর ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য উপজাতি গণমুক্তি পরিষদ, ভারতের গণতান্ত্রিক যুব ফেডারেশন, ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি যুব ফেডারেশন, সারা ভারত নারী সমিতি, তপশিলি সমন্বয়, ছাত্র ফেডারেশন, উপজাতি ছাত্র ফেডারেশন, আমাদের কৃষ্ণনগরে যে গণসংগঠনগুলি আছে, আমরা সবাই মিলে আপনাদের আন্দোলনকে সার্বিক সংহতি জানিয়ে কিছু সাহায্যের হাত আপনাদের কাছে তুলে দিচ্ছি। আমাদের একজন বরিষ্ঠ সমাজসেবী ছাত্র।
বিভিন্ন স্তরের স্বেচ্ছাসেবী সংগঠন ওনারা আমাদের এই আন্দোলন কর্মসূচিকে, এই আন্দোলনকে সংহতি জানিয়ে তারা মোট 12,000 টাকা, 12,500 টাকা আমাদের এই দানবাক্সে তারা দান করলেন। আমরা জয়েন্ট মুভমেন্ট কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে ওনাদেরকে অভিনন্দন, শুভেচ্ছা এবং নমস্কার জ্ঞাপন করছি।
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আপনাদের এই মুহূর্তে আমাদেরকে সহযোগিতা করার জন্য, এবং আশা রাখি আপনারা শেষ পর্যন্ত আমাদেরকে সঙ্গ দেবেন। এখন আমরা পরবর্তী যে অসমাপ্ত ভাষণ চলছিল ওটা ভাষণ চলবে।
Sorry for the interruption. মানুষ মানুষের জন্যে, জীবন জীবনের জন্যে। We as a human being stand for our own humankind. Today we all are here together because there is a sense of humanity in ourselves, humanity in our existence, humanity and brotherhood among each one of us. That is why we all are here today.